Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this new character in the new Beetlejuice 2 movie, Delores, which is supposed to be Beetlejuice's wife. I liked the stitch elements that remind me of Frankenstein, and I'm excited to try out this look. To start this look, I'm using a Mehron black face paint to create the line, trying to recreate the same shape she has as close as possible. On the bottom section, I don't know if it's connected, but I went ahead and connected the line. You can't really see it in the preview photos. For the staples, I used these large industrial ones and cut them down with some snips and made them into very short staples. And I will be adhering them with liquid latex. To adhere the staples, I used tweezers and dipped them into liquid latex on the ends, and then placed them where I wanted them to go. I used these staples and not regular staples because these have sort of a thicker base so that the liquid latex could adhere to it and it would sit on the face well. Using regular staples would be too thin. I just had to use what I had, and that's what I had to work with, but hopefully you could be able to find some staples that are already cut down to size that are thicker. Sometimes I would have to hold the staple in place for a few seconds before letting go, or else they would fall over, so you may have to do this as well. The areas that were flat were easier, but around the mouth and nose were harder, and I had to hold those for longer. Next, I'm putting on a red liquid lipstick. Then adding the last staple that's very close to the lip. Next, I'm using the About Face black liquid eyeshadow and putting this all over the lid and then blending outwards. Her eye look looks very messy and like it's been lived in and cried in, so I'm not going to be very careful with how I blend it. I am kind of creating a winged shape on the outer corners. I'm not going to blend too far upwards though, because most of the color looks like it's on the lids. Then I'm using black eyeliner on the waterline. And then going underneath the eye with some black eyeshadow, being very rough for a grunge type look. Then I'm adding some mascara, and I'll top this with false lashes. Hers doesn't really look like it has false lashes, but I can't resist. And that completes this Delores Bride of Beetlejuice makeup look. I'm really excited to see the new movie. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.